Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3 X4 that generation here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to find where this eccentric shaft sensor, fuse and relay are located. If you have problems with the eccentric shaft not working correctly, we will recommend to check these fuses and relays. We will explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Well guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3 X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. The eccentric shaft sensor guys, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation BMW X3 X4 right here. As you know, BMW X3 X4, they're built on the same platform, so it should work for both. The first thing we need to do, we work in multiple fuse boxes, but the first one is on the passenger side. So if you, right there, if you open the door on the passenger side, open the glove box, remove everything out of the glove box. In the very back on the right side you have that cover. Press that tab guys, pull that cover out. Behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do, check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So for the eccentric shaft guys, which fuses and which relays we need to check. Now in that fuse box here, if we zoom in, you see that row of fuses. The first fuse that we need to check, it's known as fuse number 30, fuse number 35 guys, and we're talking about that 15 fuse right here. Then you need to guys go to the trunk, open the trunk, remove that cover on the side, leave that insulation. Behind it you have another fuse box. Here, if we zoom in a little bit, you may have all of them or some of them. It really depends on the model, year and engine, but you may need to check fuse 131, will be right here if you have it, and fuse 132, it will be right here if you have that one as well. Then you need to check fuse number 143 right there. Now guys, where most likely, because there is very limited information about that fuse, if you open the hood, on the driver's side here by the windshield trim, that cover will need to be removed. If you want to see how to do that, we'll have a video. It's called BMW X3 X4 fuse box location diagram. Once you remove the cover, you get to the brake fluid reservoir. In front of it, that white cover needs to be removed. Pull that clip out, and behind it, it will look like this one. Now if you remove that power integrated module, guys, power supply module, it looks like this one. If something goes bad, you're supposed to just replace it, but we'll have a video how to open it. And if you open it, guys, you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fuses and 3 relays. Those are for the engine management. Those are the most important fuses. Now, if you have problems with the eccentric shaft, most likely your fuse will be one of these right here. Now, relay, you don't have a relay. The relay part, okay, it's practically controlled by the engine computer, and these fuses are known as relay fuses, so check those, guys. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because we have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.